Some partnerships begin with a handshake and are built over time through trust, reliability, and the kind of results you don't forget, like the one between Todd and LOCTITE. This is Todd's story, and it starts and stays with LOCTITE.
My name is Todd Gibbs. I'm the maintenance manager here at Carlex. We're an automotive glass company.
My name is Kimberly Smith. I'm a territory sales engineer for LOCTITE. I have known Todd since 2017 when we did our first maintenance reliability workshop, and we've worked together ever since.
Todd Gibbs has spent his life in machine maintenance. Today, he leads a maintenance team at Carlex, a global leader in automotive glass manufacturing. But no matter where his career has taken him, LOCTITE has remained his go-to for maintenance repair.
I've been using LOCTITE since my early days of my career in maintenance. Been 40 plus years.
Todd and his team rely on the machines and tools that he maintains and are used around the clock. Shift after shift, year after year. Downtime is never an option. LOCTITE is a pioneer in industrial adhesives and sealants, and Todd and Kim have been a team for years, held together by trust and continuous success.
The trust became apparent when we worked together, and we actually made a large repair for him with just a small amount of LOCTITE.
So we had a bearing looseness problem where the outer race was spinning one time, and I had a contractor bid over $100,000 to be able to come in with a crane and take care of this problem.
So identifying that bearing that's spinning off, we can eliminate that through the proper use of LOCTITE products, and he did not have to spend $100,000. So the proof is in the pudding, and we've worked together ever since.
With Kim's solution, still running to this day with the patch-up using LOCTITE retaining compound.
Todd has been a dedicated customer tasked with ensuring reliability and efficiency wherever his work takes him.
The first thing we did was do the plant walkthrough, identify the specific issues.
When Kim and I do an evaluation walk-around, we listen and look for vibration, for noise, for air leaks, anything that looks like it might be moving that shouldn't be moving.
Once we've done the plant survey, identified the issues, then I go back and I put a customized workshop together based on those issues. So the idea is that we're training on a specific outcome for identified issues in the plant that causes the unplanned downtime. Every person who comes through the class has a kit. We actually use products hands-on with everyone that participates in the class. And that way they know how to apply the product and where to apply the product. Again, the intended outcome is when they walk out of the class, they're able to make that issue go away.
And the result? An unbreakable bond. Quite literally, no more breakdowns, no more delays, just consistent, uninterrupted performance.
With her, I have someone more than a salesperson. She comes in and we talk about it, and she helps bring solutions to problems I have. And you can't get any better than that.
To be able to go out on the floor and eliminate that problem, that's what good looks like.